The third group of people, follower.
C'est monde qui a suivi.
Follower. You know, those people sometimes they work hard.
Je ne monde ça des fois au travail vraiment dur.
But a lot of times the enemy attack their hearts.
Mais en pile fois ennemi attaque cœur.
Eh? Did you hear what I said? Now, if you read the book of Genesis chapter 3, you can see what the serpent has done to Eve. Because Eve was a follower of Adam. As a follower, while you're serving, pray for God to protect your hearts. Now, followers are givers. What did I say? Followers are providers. Followers are fighters. They're always there to help no matter what. They're always ready to help. Because God put the desire in their heart to give. But at the same time, don't let the serpent attack your hearts. Followers, they are people that make heavy sacrifice for the kingdom to stand. They do things when other people refuse to do it. They give their money, they give their time, they give their strength, they give their presence, they make themselves available. But be careful, because it's easy for the enemy to attack your heart with unforgiveness, resentment, envy, complaining, and what? And murmuring. As a follower, always remember that people will attack you. What did I say? I'm not saying the devil. You know the devil, but just know once you begin to give, people will attack you. I'm not talking about money. Once you begin to give what? Everything. People will what? Attack you. So imagine you are serving. You are given. And your heart is full of watches. That's called double-minded. So every follower always needs to pray against double-minded. Don't waste your time. And a lot of time, those people, they always do the hard job. They are the one in the street evangelize. But as you evangelize, don't gossip. Because it's a spirit that the enemy release against followers. Everybody say followers. Listen, remember the money you have, the gift you have is not for you, it's for God. Even the desire you receive is not from you, it's from God. The zeal is not from you, it's what? It's from God. I'm telling you, I spent a couple years a lot, and I'm still in that school called stupidity. And I'm still in the school. It's a school. If you don't pay attention, you will fail. Imagine you are given your time, but you cannot take control over your mind. It's easy for a follower to be a Pharisee. It's easy for a follower become what? Become a Pharisee if they cannot control themselves. How many of you, when you give people stuff, you like to tell, I give all my life. You give all your life where? When you give your life to Jesus. That's what. Say, I give my life to Jesus. Your life is not up to you anymore. It's up what? To Jesus. So you are serving what? Jesus. At the end of the day, when you begin to complain, you say, I give all my time to a ministry. That's when you was not serving. You weren't serving what? Jesus, but you were serving the ministry. So I'm not serving ministry. I'm serving what? Jesus. And the ministry, the churches belong to who? Jesus. So you got to be very careful as a follower. If you make yourself available for everything, why do you need to complain? Why do you need to what? Complain and boast about it. Telling people what you have done. There is no blessing. A lot of followers, pay attention, a lot of followers always struggle. Do you know why? Do you know why? Because of mindset of Pharisees. They're not true with themselves. In the kingdom, when you serve, you serve with a loyal heart. Okay. Are you feeling good? Or maybe I can use somebody else. You good? Apostle, you good? Okay, take a mic. Stay here. Okay. We're going to do a short conversation. How you doing today, Brother Sunday?
I'm doing great, sir. How are you today?
Ah, man, I thank God for your life. Since I come to this ministry, you always working for Jesus. You always working. It seems like you give the ministry your time.
Well, God has given me the strength to serve. I bless God.
Yeah, my brother. But do you go to work?
Yes, I do.
Oh, you go to work. Make sure you know you need to save some money for your family. It seems like you don't have no time for your family. You will find some people will come in your ears. Do you understand what I'm telling you? You see, when you are involved so much in the ministry, people are watching you. Say it.
Involved so much in the ministry, people are watching you.
So either a lot of time they will praise you. Oh, but recently you are doing good. I can see every night you are doing that little prayer. Praise God.
Thank you, sir.
And now, if you take it like, man, yeah, I'm the one that leading prayer. And one day to the point you are scheduled, you get what? Offended. Listen, you are follower. You are what? A follower. So it's not every time you will be in the same position. So we are the follower of what? Jesus Christ. Sometimes Jesus say go north, we go north. Jesus goes south, we go south. Yeah, but recently it seems like you don't go to work, but you gotta go to work. Jesus don't say for you to stay in the ministry days and nights and walk in.
I don't feel comfortable about this conversation.
Now, for some people, they said, what she said is true. What he said is what? It's true. Now, those people, I call them what? Spectator. People that not doing anything, they easily attack what? Followers. Just I'm telling you. Even sometimes Satan talk to you. I'm here from Monday to Monday. You are not here for me, my friend. You are here for what? For Jesus. Because you give your life to what? Jesus. You here on Monday, I'm here on Monday too. But by the way, you come at 9 to 11. But me myself, I come at what? 7 to 7. Do you guys understand what I'm telling you? You are complaining because you come to church 2 hours. Maybe sometimes you come only for what? 2 hours or 1 hour per 30 minutes per service. But me myself, sometimes I leave church what? Sometimes it's 2 days. I say for 2 days here. Now you're talking about time. So who's working for Jesus more? Who's working for ministry more? You or me? My friend, I'm follow. There's time I will not go home. The Holy Spirit says, stay here. One time I was driving going home, the Holy Spirit said, go back to the church. I said, yeah, he said, go back to the church. You don't need to go home now. Why now we're doing consecration? A lot of people come to, you see, like maybe 1 or 2 people, but people don't want to come to consecration. But me, I can't even sleep home. The Holy Spirit said, you must be there. Now you say you're tired. You can't come to church. People have special day to come to church. If God say, okay, all those days you don't want to do nothing for me, I will remove my grace from you. If you are a follower, you must what? Follow. You are not doing it for the men of God, but you are doing it for what? For Jesus.